Hey guys, my name is Nisha and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am not wearing any makeup on my face, well, except for some, lipstick. But the reason why I'm not wearing any makeup is because I want to show you guys something, okay? Are you guys ready for this? I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I have a giant pimple on my face and I have no idea how it came, but it's here and I need to get rid of it ASAP. So I just want this thing to go, and I obviously turn to the first place that I know where to do it, and that's the internet. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out some very popular internet hacks to get rid of acne overnight, and you guys will see along with me whether it actually works, whether I can get rid of this acne overnight, which is basically tomorrow morning. I shouldn't be seeing this anymore, or at least if it helps reduce it, because as you guys can see, it's quite red right now and it's very visible. Like, the only way I can hide it is through makeup, and even after that I'll be able to see some bumps. I hope you guys can see, but today is Monday, it's 5th March and right now it's 7:15. So yeah, I have no other option but to get rid of it using some trusty internet hacks, or I have to share whatever the results are. So I am going to do some Google searching and see what options we have. We have got some things, guys. How to get rid of acne overnight. I'm just Googling it and I have some solutions. So it says, dip a clean cotton swab in a fresh lemon juice and apply it. Okay, fine, maybe not that. Okay, so I've opened up this article that talks all about pimples, so I'm just going to go through it and let's see what we can find. Okay, so after doing some research, I have found a few solutions that I'm going to be trying tonight. So right now it's 7:20, so by the time I go to sleep, I'm going to be trying at least 2-3 different things, whatever works to help get rid of this redness over here. So the first thing that I'm going to try is the baking soda and honey. So they're telling me to try a mixture of baking soda and honey to help clear skin. Apply for 15 minutes and rinse. So I'm just going to do a quick spot treatment and I'm just going to leave it on for 15 minutes and we're going to see what happens. Okay guys, I'm back and I just made a mixture of honey and baking soda. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm just going to layer on as much as I can. Oh my god, it's dripping. Okay, so I'm fine with that. Now I'm just going to leave this on for 15 minutes and then we are going to see what happens. Hey guys, I'm back again. So it has been exactly 30 minutes since I put it on. I said before that I was going to leave it on for 15 minutes, but then I was just doing some Google search and I've read there's some people leave it overnight too. So I thought, instead of just leaving it 15 minutes, let me just give it some more time. Okay, so now that my mixture is completely dry, I'm just going to wipe it off with a wet cloth and with a wet cotton. So as you guys can see, you can still see some of the redness, but I don't know, I feel like maybe has the redness slightly reduced a bit? I don't know. I can't really tell at this point. And obviously, I can't really expect great miracles in just 30 minutes. But this is what the acne situation looks like right now. Next, we're going to apply a mixture of cinnamon and honey. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's this pattern of honey and everything going on. And that's because, honey, as we know, is a natural antibacterial antibiotic. This is what the mixture looks like. It has gone a lot darker. It's very sticky. So I'm just going to apply some on the spot. Also guys, before you apply cinnamon on your face, please do a patch test, because you never know, you might be allergic to it, so you don't really want that to happen. I'm going to check in with you guys after this dries and after I take it off. So I'm going to check in with you guys then. So right now the time is 9:37 and I've already had my dinner and everything. So this has been around for just a little over an hour. I'm just going to wipe it off and let's just hope for some miracle, guys. Let's see. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's still red, it's still there. So obviously, I mean, again, I'm gonna say this again and again, obviously I'm not expecting miracles right now because this is supposed to be an overnight kind of thing. Piece of ice over here, and I'm just going to wrap it in a handkerchief like so, and I'm just going to put it on the spot. So I'm just going to place this here until the ice just naturally melts away. Okay guys, so it's been a while. The ice cube has completely melted away, and as you guys can see, there is a slight redness in this overall area, and I'm just guessing that's because, you know, because of the temperature of the ice cube. So I just went ahead and I did my cleansing ritual. So I just washed my face again and I put on my moisturizer, but I only put moisturizer on the rest of my face, and I strictly avoided this area. So this area does not have any kind of moisturizer, and that's because my last step is going to be applying an aloe vera gel. I'm just going to take a small amount like that, and I'm just going to apply it directly on the spot. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow morning, and let's hope for better results. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. So I just thought I'll just quickly give you guys an update in the morning. So it's the very next day, it's Tuesday today, and this video is actually going to go up today evening. As you guys can see, the blemish has definitely reduced a lot, so yay for that. Obviously we were hoping for it to completely go away, but I guess that's just hoping for too much. The redness has come down around 70%. I would say there is just a little bit of redness left. It has definitely come down in size too. Right now I'm actually standing in my balcony because I wanted to show you guys this in natural sunlight, so you know, like whatever you are seeing is totally unfiltered. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope it was helpful. I had so much fun doing this little experiment, and I'm so glad that it actually paid off. And if you guys want more videos like this, then do give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.